Hello, I am Hitoshi. Thank you for always coming to my page. Today's topic is deciding the location of the head office. Before starting, let's check where we are. Step 1. Deciding the basic items of your company. 1A. Deciding the location of the head office. Okay, let's start. Actually, this is simple. You can choose any place as long as it has address. So, your house, rental office space, co-working space, or any space is okay. However, if your place is a rental apartment or condominium, you need to be careful when you use it as your company head office. In the case of a rental condominium, it is necessary to confirm whether using it as a company office does not violate the contents of the rental contract. In the case of condominiums as well, there are cases where the use of rooms for business purposes is prohibited by the agreement of the management association. Therefore, it is better to check the contents of the management union's rules in advance when you try to make your condominium your company's main office. This is a story for residence visa holders. When it comes to business manager visa, the situation is not same. As to this series, most of viewers are thinking about getting business visa, I guess. As to business manager visa, you are required to secure an independent office. This topic is so important, and for details, I will explain on other video later. But one thing I want to share with you is, in principle, you can't use your home as the main office of your business. I have a room in my apartment. It is independent and partitioned from living space. So I want to use it as my office. In your case, even so, in general, it is not allowed. So please be careful about this point. For details, please wait new video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye. またね。